Picture this, a tiny home on 3 wheels that looks like it rolled right out of the past, yet feels like a glimpse into the future. This isn't your ordinary RV camper. This is a vintage-style masterpiece on wheels, and the moment you lay your eyes on it, you'll realize it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Compact, stylish, and brilliantly designed, this little camper proves that sometimes, less really is more. And wait until you see the inside, you won't believe how much they managed to fit in such a small space. Imagine cruising down the road with this 3-wheeled beauty, drawing stares and smiles everywhere you go. It's not just transportation, it's a lifestyle. At first glance, it looks like something straight out of the retro golden age, but don't be fooled. This camper is built for today's dreamers, adventurers, and people tired of paying sky-high rent just to live in a boring box. Why spend your life tied to bills when you could own something like this and take your home with you, wherever you want to go? Step inside, and it feels almost magical. Despite its small size, the interior is cozy and efficient, packed with clever storage, a snug sleeping area, and even space for cooking your favorite meals. Every corner is designed with intention, blending vintage charm with modern convenience. You've got the warmth of wood finishes, the nostalgia of classic design, and the practicality of a home that actually moves with you. It's the perfect balance between old-school cool and the freedom of modern minimalism. And here's the thing, this isn't just about looks. This camper is about freedom. It's about breaking away from the ordinary and choosing a life where every sunrise can be in a new place. Imagine parking next to a lake, a mountain range, or even the beach, and waking up with the best view in the world, all from the comfort of your little rolling home. No noisy neighbors, no overpriced rent, no landlord breathing down your neck. Just you, your camper, and the open road. But here's where it really gets interesting, because this 3-wheeled design makes it incredibly lightweight and easy to maneuver. Unlike bulky RVs that guzzle fuel and are hard to park, this camper is built for simplicity. It's affordable, it's efficient, and it gives you everything you need without the hassle. You don't need a giant truck to haul it or a fortune to maintain it. It's practical freedom that actually works. Think about it, while others are drowning in bills and stuck in the same routine, you could be living in your very own tiny home on wheels. A home that costs less, brings more adventure, and gives you back control of your life. And the best part? It's not just functional, it's stunning. Everywhere you go, people are going to stop, stare, and ask, what is that? It's a conversation starter, a lifestyle changer, and maybe even the future of affordable living.